Unemployment fraud, also sometimes called Employment Development Department fraud or EDD fraud, is when a person collects or attempts to collect unemployment benefits that they're not legitimately entitled to. And we tend to see these cases prosecuted in 4 types of situations. The first is when a person is working or receiving income while collecting unemployment benefits and not telling EDD. The second situation is when a person is living in California but collecting benefits in another state. The third situation is when somebody is fabricating work search efforts. So that's basically where you're collecting unemployment and you're telling EDD that you're out every day looking for a job, you're just not finding one, but in reality you're just chilling at home playing video games and not looking for work at all. The fourth situation where we see these cases prosecuted is when you falsify the reason that you lost your job. So maybe you say that you were laid off for economic reasons, but in reality you voluntarily quit or you were fired for misconduct. So you lie about the reason that you lost your job in order to qualify for unemployment benefits. Now, while we usually see these cases filed against recipients of unemployment, they can also be filed against employers. So, for example, an employer may lie about an ex-employee's wages or length of service. Or the employer may lie about the reason that the person was terminated. The employer may say, oh, well, this person voluntarily quit, when in reality, they were laid off for economic reasons. And employers do this sometimes to avoid having their unemployment insurance account tapped, but it's illegal and they can find themselves prosecuted.